Impact of this pandemic has a lot of families losing loved ones, and people really just feel a sense of loss. One mental health expert says it is a long road ahead for all of us in mental health healing. KPIX5's Devin Fehely with more.
There is a toll that the pandemic has taken on each and every one of us, a toll not readily quantified by the number of people who've died or been sickened by the disease.
What it's doing is instilling us with fear about the world around us. We've sort of retreated into our cubby holes here.
Dr. David Spiegel with Stanford Healthcare says in the early days of the pandemic, we were ordered, frankly, to isolate. And in order to break the chain of transmission of this new virus, we had to break the bonds that connected us as friends and family. And too often, he says, that protection for our physical health came with a steep price in mental health.
The bad thing is we're afraid of what's out there. We're afraid that any social contact could make us sick. And earlier in the pandemic, pre-vaccination, that it could kill us. We've lost almost 1 million Americans.
There are lingering concerns about the virus and new variants that seem to pop up every time we're prepared to declare the pandemic finally over. But society is slowly knitting itself back together. Businesses and restaurants have reopened, and people have rejoined lives put on pause during the pandemic.
The things that we usually resort to feel better about ourselves, like having social contact with others, are the things now that we are most interfered with, and that's a real problem.
Devin Fehely, KPIX5.